How to find all your search history on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your recent search or your search history on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram, of course, and now go to your profile and click on those three lines up there beside the plus icon and click on your activity. Now click on recent search, review thing you have searched for on Instagram and clear your search activity. Now I don't have any search on this account and only things you have searched for in the main search bar will appear here. So let's try. For example, let's try how to media. Click on, for example, this one. Now let's go back to our account, click on those three lines, your activity and recent search. So here you're gonna find all your recent search and all your search activity. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.